Hi guys, what's up? It's been a long time since my last video. This is just a small update. What's going on? Lots of things happened. If you watch my channel before my videos, you may know that I had a Opel Astra J sports tourer, 1.6 liter turbo petrol, and I really like this car. It was very good to drive, nice, quiet. It had quite much problems. I think this car had all these common problems for this model. Most of these problems I could fix by myself. One big problem, major problem, was the transmission. It was automatic and this transmission wasn't working good. I could drive it, but I couldn't really trust it for longer trips. So I had to make a choice and decision, and I changed the car. I bought this yesterday. This is Opel Astra K 2018, of course not a new, but new for me. Yeah, and this is diesel. I didn't even want to have a diesel, but I was getting so tired of this fuel consumption of my old car. 8.6 liter average. And it was just getting worse because of this transmission. I was looking for new options, of course, cheap ones also, and I bought this one. So this is 1.6 liter diesel sports tourer 2018. Very basic, no leather. I also wanted to have a car which doesn't have lots of sensors. Of course, parking sensors this has, but nothing else like a lane assistant or something like that. This is something I just don't like so much. This one is even with traditional handbrake manual, no electric, so I can easily change brakes also for this one, like I also did to my old car. One major thing what I want to have in a car is touchscreen and Apple CarPlay. In this model, in this year, this Apple CarPlay it's wired. So every time I have to connect my iPhone with the cable. In my old car, I installed this kind of touchscreen aftermarket to this old car, and it was with wireless Apple CarPlay, and I really loved this function. So I bought this. This should solve the problem, hopefully, and this will make this wired Apple CarPlay wireless. That's the first thing what I'm going to do to this car. That's pretty small. That's very good thing. Maybe I will use some kind of double-sided tape so I can install this the side wall of this box. And here's also adapters, USB-C, USB-C, and this one I need, USB-A and USB-C. This should be pretty easy to install. In the box it says that it's plug and play. Let's connect this here. Should come something. A light. Do it again. Activate. Continue. Auto kit. Now there's coming something to my phone. Oh, yeah. And it works. That's great. No cables. That was actually nice. In this package there was already a piece of double-sided tape, so I can use this to attach this box inside this box. About like so. Can I connect my phone there and charge? I have also the cigarette lighter plug. So. Yes, it will charge. Well, that's good news. That's the first thing that I wanted to do to this car. This car is quite nice from outside. Inside a little bit, I think I just have to clean it. One funny thing is that these, I can show you actually. These carpets. I can see that these are not originals. I don't know what happened to those. I already ordered from Amazon new ones for 30 francs, 30 euros, which are actually made for this car. I think every time when I have some time to spend, I will try to make some videos at least about this car. Key is also broken. There is no clip that I can hang it somewhere. I ordered also this from Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, 15 euros or something. Small things. And I love that. I love to do everything to this car. I want to check everything. I want to clean engine bay and the whole car. That's something that I really love to do. Yep. Okay. I think, that was a short video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully soon we will see next time.